Hello everyone, this is Nimish and today we're going to review and react to the trailer of Rangoon starring Saif Ali Khan, Shahid Kapoor, Kangna Ranaut, directed by the one and only Vishal Bharadwaj. So this trailer released on Facebook just now, and so I'm not going to put it here, but that looks absolutely fabulous, and there are a couple of reasons I'm saying so. First of all, it looks out and out like a Hollywood movie. The big issues these days is about how Hollywood movies are taking over and competing with Bollywood movies, and there's a big issue in Bollywood about how we should improve our movies, try to do it, and that's what Shivai tried to do last year. And although technically Shivai was brilliant, it wasn't really appreciated much by the public because of several reasons. But Rangoon looks absolutely delightful. The scale at which the movie has been weighed, the complete cinematography, locations, the sets, the costumes, everything looks absolutely fantastic. This is, of course, a period drama set in the wartime. It is based, of course, around Rangoon, and it looks so good. Like, I have no words. I was not expecting such an epic level of cinematography and filmmaking in Rangoon. Saif Ali Khan plays a Nawabish kind of role, the rich guy, the kind of aristocrat who falls in love with this actress or celebrity. And that celebrity, in turn, played by Kangna Ranaut, who, by the way, is fabulous when she says bloody hell. She ends up falling in love with Shahid Kapoor, who is, I think, someone from the army. So basically, this is a love triangle. And unlike or contrary to my expectations, I was expecting a very serious nitty gritty film because it's Vishal Bharadwaj. He makes his, very serious, hard hitting films like Omkara, Haider. And I was expecting something very serious, very, dramatic, more kind of war sequences than love sequences with some love in it. But in fact, this is very hilarious. There are some really funny moments, there are some really light moments, and that immediately takes away any tension or any kind of thing from your mind that something bad is going to happen or something terrible will happen in this movie. It presents it in a very entertaining, light-hearted manner. The jokes are fabulous, the comedy is presented in a fabulous way and in a very natural acting aspect. So if you noticed in the trailer, there's not like funny dialogues or funny situations. It's just that it's kind of like a toned down humor, which is absolutely fantastic. I think Shahid Kapoor, though, stole the show in this trailer. He's just absolutely fantastic, and with every year, he's getting better and better. With movies like Haider, Udta Punjab, he's finally getting what he deserves, the complete recognition that he deserves, and the complete fame and fan following that he always deserved. So, he, in this trailer, to me, was the best part of it. Saif Ali Khan's role in this trailer was not fully developed. It was not fully kind of explained to us. It feels like he will come in at the start of the movie to kind of start that romance with Kangna Ranaut. Then the movie shifts to the main love story, which is Kangna and Shahid love story, and then come back when Saif Ali Khan finds out, and that kind of aspect of kind of enmity between the two, the war situations in the background, and things might get serious. So that's what the trailer looks like. It looks fantastic. On a story level, though, it might not be so different for people who've watched a lot of Hollywood movies like Appaloosa, for example. So people who watch a lot of Hollywood movies might find that the story itself is a love triangle based in a war zone. There are many such movies, so it might not be different at a basic story level, but the presentation for Bollywood, for Indian cinemas, is something that we've not seen, and such a large scale movie makes it one of the very few films in Bollywood that have actually tried to reach the Hollywood level. So this looks absolutely good, and I love watching movies from this so-called mid-tier actors like Saif Ali Khan, Shahid Kapoor, etc. They are the ones who have been experimenting. They are the ones who are kind of doing all the kinds of cinema. They are flexible enough, unlike the bigger stars who try to stay in their niche genre. So I love the trailer. I hope you like the trailer, and I hope you like this reaction review to Rangoon. Looking forward to the songs of the movie also. Now, Vishal Bharadwaj, if you notice, he gives music for his own movies, and in his previous movies like Sat Khunma, for example, there was a huge hit called Darling. Darling aako se aake char karne do. So Darling, basically, because the movie had a story based in Russia, Darling itself, the song, is a kind of copied version of a very hit Russian song called Kalinka. So Vishal Bharadwaj uses the kind of tones which he has in his movie, the background which he has in his movie, to develop his music, either by taking those tunes directly or by using them to get inspired and making something nice. So in this movie too, if you notice, it has the Eastern feeling. It has that kind of Burmish, Rangoonish Chinese kind of music to it, with the doll kind of music to it. If you notice the background music, so again, the music is something that I'm looking forward to also. It looks fantastic. And honestly, when Saif Ali Khan wore that white suit and came, I completely remembered Brad Pitt from Inglourious Bastards. So this movie really, really has a great level to it, a great budget to it, and it's fantastic. So looking forward to this movie. I hope you like this review. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep watching.